Greetings YouTube, this is your boy Glitch7, Master of Quantum Crane Intellect signing in. So today I'll teach you how to make a sigil. What is a sigil? Sigil is a symbol, just like McDonald's got that M, just like any brand that got like a symbol, that is a sigil, and a sigil comes with intention. So that intention, it manifests something into reality. It's like they create the symbols to pull you in. Just like McDonald's got that M, that symbol is pulling you in to buy McDonald's. So we'll create a sigil. So you can create a sigil for happiness, you can create a sigil for wealth, you can create a sigil for a job, you can create a sigil for anything. You can create a sigil for protection, you can create a sigil for anything. Sigil. Sigil. Sigil or sigil. The pronunciation is just, it doesn't matter. So what you need to make a sigil is this. You can just screenshot this and go print it out, or you can look it up on the internet. They call this, what they call this? Rose cross sigil creation. Just search that up on your Google, you'll find this, and I'll create a sigil with you. I don't know what sigil specifically I want right now, but I don't need a sigil right now, so with y'all I will create a money sigil. Money. So you first thing first, you write out money because you want to create a money sigil, and then write this out. Ooh. And then on your word that you've chose, and you need to choose a word, not a whole sentence. You need to think about what you want, and I break it down into just one word. And once you have the one word, you write out that one word, and then you remove the O, and then you remove the E. The E is out, and all you have is M and Y. So it will be M and Y, my. But your subconscious understand this is money. So if you have any repeating letters, you'll cut them off, but in this case we don't have any repeating letters. And then you'll come to your rose cross sigil creation, and then I use this plastic, and then you will put plastic over it. In your first letter, you draw a circle on your first letter. Your second letter is a Y. Where can we find a Y? Just right here. And then your last letter, you draw a line like this. So this is how it looks. But then it doesn't have to be specifically traced on a paper. You can just know the shape of it and then just draw it on a paper. So a sigil for money in this case looks like this. Like this. And when you draw it, this is a secret. You just don't draw it. It's powerless at this point. So what you need to do is sit down, since you have a sigil, is sit down, maybe plant your feet on the floor. If you're not outside, plant your feet on the floor, and then start to draw your breath. Hold your pencil or pen like this, and then draw your breath in, put like deeply inhale, like, and then you imagine a light coming from beneath your feet into your feet, throughout your body, out this pen or pencil or marker that you have, and then you draw the first like this, and you draw, and then you see this lights go into this thing. Excuse me, I'm using one hand right now, so it won't be perfect. And you see the light, and as you circle around your first letter, see lights, put the light in there. That's you charging it up, and then it's you charging it up before activation. And then again with this line, you redo the process of like planting your feet, imagining light, taking a breath, and then imagining lights coming into your body out the pencil marker, and you do this until you're done. And once you're done, you have a sigil. And now you have to activate it. You can activate it by putting it out in the sun. You can activate it by putting it out on the moon when the moon is out. You can activate it by using yourself, just putting it under your pillow when you sleep. You can put it on your own body, but this is like activation process when you want to activate using your chi energy. You can put it under your pillow, draw it on your body. It's just a lot of ways to activate it. Using water, putting it under water. By the way, this is magic. So if you're not a practitioner and you don't believe in practicing, don't do this. Because this is just a matter of belief. And this is a subconscious language. This may seem like mine to you, but this is money. You know, subconsciously you know that this was money, now it's mine, but this is still money. This means money. So this is a way to manifest using your subconscious. It's that simple. I love y'all.